Okay, so at this point, we've been looking at how to read text. How do you actually write text files? So write text file example. And we're going to have some fun with this one. So public static void main string args. Now there's lots of different ways to actually read and write, but the main one is text. Text is A, B, C, D, all the alphabet, all the letters that we're familiar with. Then there's binary. Binary is how everything is stored inside the computer, and that is zeros and ones. So what we're going to do today is just the text. So write text. There's something called the print writer. Print writer. I'll just call it out equals new print writer. And then we'll have to create a new file, and I'll call it out text.txt. Boom and boom. And there we go. I'm going to save it. It's not going to compile, of course, because I don't have the right imports. So it doesn't know what file writer is. So I'm going to import java.io.star, and then compile that. And that's a colon, that's a semicolon. There we go. All right, cannot find symbol. It's print writer. Oh, not printer. It's print writer. Sorry about that. And now we have unreported exception. So once again, we'll put this into a try catch. Try catch. And what is it that wants us to do? Is unreported file not found exception. File not found exception. And then there we go. And then I'll have a nice little error message. This print line could not write to file. Well, actually, specifically, could not open file to write. Okay, that's good. Put that there. This is going to show up in the exact same place that I always put things. So it's going to be in the same directory. So out.println hi. This is text. Now if I compile that, good, and I run it, well, nothing happened as far as I can tell. But if I go in here, my Java examples, and then I go for, what did I call that thing? Out text. Find my latest one. It is blank. Isn't it just beautiful? It's a blank file. Here's the big thing with writing to files. When writing to files, you have to, and this is all caps, you have to close the file. Lots of exclamation marks. If you do not close it, out.close, what you end up with is this. It's just blank. Where'd it go? I wrote, hi, this is text. So let's write it out again. And back to where we were. Out text. Hey, there it is now. Hi, this is text. So simple enough. The biggest problem, the biggest bug when you're writing a text is not closing it. So here's another example for int I equals 0. I is less than 100. And then I plus plus. I'm just going to write this out.print. We'll have I plus a space. All right, let's see what happens when we run that. Okay, good. Out.text, write that again. I forgot to close it, so open again. Hey, there it is. Hi, this is text, 0 through 99. So writing text isn't bad. I usually just use print writer. It's fairly straightforward. It's very similar to using system.out. You can do print line, that kind of thing. Most important is close. Close the print writer. If you do not close it, you will not actually end up writing to the file. You'll create the file, but it won't be actually written to.